Allah decreed our paths would meet, two wandering hearts, one steady beat. From all the souls in this wide sea, He wrote your name right next to me. My wife, my promise, my heart's true vow, with you by my side forever from now. My wife, I stand here by your side, as your husband calling you my bride. From this day on, each new start, I write your name deep in my heart. I promise as your husband I'll stay close to your hand, not fade away. When life feels cold and fear takes flight, I'll hold you close, I'll be your light. My wife, my promise, my heart's true vow, with you by my side forever from now. When your world feels heavy to bear, I'll sit beside you, show I care. When your fears are loud in the dark, I'll be your calm, your steady spark. I'll guard your trust, your peace, your smile. Stand on your side through every trial. When gentle blessings fill this place, I'll thank Allah for all His grace. My wife, my promise, my heart's true vow, with you by my side forever from now. If I speak in anger one day, I'll be the first to change my way. No silent walls, no doors shut tight. We'll choose kind words to heal the night. And when I fall short, take my hand, remind me softly where we stand. Two souls learning how to grow, walking the path that Allah will show. From this first day till my last breath, I choose your side in life and death. If there is peace beyond the sky, I pray we'll share it, you and I. My wife, my promise, my heart's true vow, with you by my side forever from now. May Allah keep us joined together in this life and the next forever. In this life and the next forever.